What's up, guys? Welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm going to be showing you some EQ modes and a specific EQ mode that you can use on your 808s to make them sound super crispy. All right, so I'm gonna just show you the 3 EQ modes right now. I'm using FabFilter. I'm not sure what other EQs have this setting in them, but I know FabFilter does. So we have 0 latency, natural phase, and linear. All right, and I'm gonna just let this pop up so you can pause the video if you want to read a description of what it is. But simply put, 0 latency is going to be kind of a lower quality, or give you a lower quality sound. Don't take that too literal. I'm going to show you an example in a minute of what I mean. And then natural phase, like medium quality, linear phase, maximum. So don't think, oh, 0 latency is terrible quality, I'm not going to use it anymore. No, I still use this on most of my sounds. Just my 808, I use linear phase, and I'm going to show you what that sounds like. So if I go to audio settings, you'll see that the default is this, right? And you can see that's not the highest quality, but it's the best quality because my beats render fast and I can load plugins and stuff, right? So it's the best quality to use. So just because that is the lowest quality does not mean it's not the best for what you're using it for. Same with like the sample rate, just to use that for an example. All right, so now let's get into the actual good stuff. So I'm gonna show you an example of what this will sound like. So what you need to be hearing for, you might want to turn some studio monitors on or put some headphones in to hear this because it's subtle. You're gonna try to listen to the lower end, all right? And it's gonna get a lot tighter, you know, as I go down. Okay, so I'm gonna show you without the EQ, I guess. All right, now I'm gonna show you with the 0 latency. This is regular EQ. All right, doesn't sound bad. All right, now this one, it's not gonna be a huge difference, but it does get a little bit tighter on the low end. Okay, so now really listen to the low, like really try to listen, and I should pop these up. These are the same. Let me show you. Yeah, these are all the same. Okay, so let me go back to this one right here. Now I'm only using the medium quality. There's higher qualities for the linear phase, but I'm just gonna use the regular one. So really listen to the low end here. You can see how tight it is. It kind of moves up or in the back. I'm not really sure. I don't remember, but I'll show you real quick. All right, now I'm gonna show you the regular EQ. Okay, so right there when the note went really low and you can kind of hear the subs, it was a little bit lacking. But when I put it on the linear phase, everything's there and it's like tight and together and you can hear all of the low end, right? So here, watch when it goes low. All right, it's not a great difference, but you can feel that though. I can feel that when I use the linear phase rather than the other ones, because it's like the sub, I can actually hear the sub and feel the sub, right? So that's what you want to use on your 808s to make them sound really clean. You can mess around and, you know, mess around with the EQ and stuff, but I just did this for an example. Probably wouldn't actually put it like this, but yeah, you can mess around with this. If you have this plugin, you might have to use some other or download some free stuff. I don't know what other EQs have it. People who have other EQs that do this, put the name of the plugin in the comments and yeah, help people out. All right, but hopefully you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Especially if you're new, definitely subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.